Hey everybody, it's Allie and welcome to my channel. Today it is time for another Boxycharm unboxing video. Boxycharm is a subscription service. You pay $25 a month. You get a box full of goodies every month and each box is said to value at over $100. Okay, so this is a little card. It tells us everything that we get and let's get started. First thing that we got is by Morphe and it's an eye brush set. It's a 4-piece eye brush collection. I actually don't have any Morphe brushes. I have to think about that. I thought I did, but I don't think I have Morphe brushes. Sure. It's worth $12. You get an oval shadow brush, a pro firm blending crease brush, a tapered mini blender brush, and an angled liner brush. So I've heard mixed things about Morphe brushes, to be honest. The next thing that we have is the Violet Vos Essentials 2, and this is worth $36. I feel like I do have the Essentials palette. I don't know why. I feel like that seems very familiar to me. So this is what it looks like. Let's open it up and see. Ooh.
Can you see, Mom?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Cool, right? Just to compare, because just in case you're wondering, so I do have the volume 1 and we got volume 2. So just to compare, this is volume 1, this is volume 2. Very colorful. So next we have by Pure Heals. It is the Pore Clear Black Charcoal Cleansing Foam. But this is worth $24. So it is a charcoal and oriental botanical ingredients. Help cleanse the sebum, pine needle extracts, and mineral ingredients. Help skin to be moisturized and glossy. Interesting. It's a big old bottle. Let's see. Oh, it is sealed, which I do like to see, because that way we know that it's not tampered with. Oh, it's like a silver. Interesting. It sounds like it's very purifying and clarifying, but the fact that it leaves your skin glossy, do you mean shiny? Do you mean moisturized? I don't know. We'll try it out. Ooh. Next we have by QMS Cosmetics. This is the Active Glow Tinted Date Cream. Ooh, very nice. This is valued at $105. Okay, so this is a lightweight sheer color adaptive cream with vitamins. Helps to blur imperfections to reveal visibly glowing, even skin. Combination of a skin perfecting light tint and hydrating formula makes this an ideal day cream. So I feel like this is nice for the summer. Let's put this over here just to see what it looks like. $105. Let's see if I can get it. All right, I feel like, come on. Ooh. So it is, you know, there's a slight tint to it. I wasn't sure what to expect. I'm going to put this to the test too. So with my coloring, sometimes a tinted moisturizer can look like a little bit like grayish or orangey. This one seems like it's blending out pretty nicely. Does feel lightweight. When I first pumped it on, it had like almost that heavy feeling, like that like sunscreen type of feel. But it did blend out nicely. The next thing that we have is by Real Her I Am Inspiring. It's a definer brow pencil. I love me a good brow product. And this goes for $16. It's waterproof and wax-based. So let's take a look. Can you open it up, please, darling? So the packaging is actually really nice looking, especially for a brow pencil. So it's like that matte black. I feel like it makes it look more sleek with that gold. We have like the micro pencil and a spoolie on the other side. And does this have a shade? I don't know. I don't know if this is only one shade, because I don't see like a name, like a shade name on here. So maybe it's just one universal shade they have. I don't know. Either way, I will try this out and let you guys know what I think. And that's worth $16. So for this month, the value of the box is $193. So pretty good. All right, we got brushes, we got a palette, eyebrow pencil, a day cream, and a face wash. So very good. I'm most excited about the day cream and the eyebrow pencil. So yeah, that does it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. Be sure to stay happy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Was that it? There's more? What is it? Thank you, honey. That was really cute. Peekaboo. That's okay, baby. You don't need to apologize. Thank you for helping out. Do you need help? I can help you out. Yeah, I can help. Thank you for helping me.